Those are actually 6 you need a 6 millimeter Allen, not a 5, like I said a second ago. And what you're gonna have is you've got 13 millimeter nuts here on the hangers. But the very first thing we wanna do if you're dropping the entire exhaust line is you wanna unplug your valve controller lines right here. There's a little tab, you press on this and then the plug will wiggle off. Just like that. You wanna do that on both sides. Now keep in mind, if you're cutting the exhaust up here in place, like I mentioned earlier, you don't need to do this. So we're gonna have a few extra steps. If you're cutting in place and learning from my example, then skip ahead a little bit. So unplug your valve controllers on both sides. Now, what you're gonna wanna do from here is start to take this down. Now you've got the back hangers here. These are 13 millimeter nuts. You can undo both of those. And then the back box all the way back here on both sides, you'll have a 13 millimeter. So leave those until last, because that will keep your exhaust line up in place. So undo the 13s here, come back up the body, get your upper hanger here, which is a reverse torque. So there's two reverse torques on both sides. Those are E5s, if I remember correctly, and if different, I'll tell you so. So reverse torques here and here, and those are done. And then these should be, and normally are, 12 millimeter nuts here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this whole thing will be loose with the exception of the back hangers. Once that's done, and it's good if you have a friend, you can do this by yourself, but it's also good if you have a friend to hold the exhaust tips at this end, because you'll come back, you'll undo these hangers, we'll have somebody hanging onto the back box for you. You slide up the car and you very slowly lower this and work it towards the back of the car and work the entire exhaust line out, because you're gonna have to take that top end off those posts. So you're gonna drop down and slowly roll it out from the car.